Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we are going to continue with the third exercise of rational and irrational numbers. Question number 15. If 2 plus root 5 upon 2 minus root 5 is equal to x and 2 minus root 5 upon 2 plus root 5 is equal to y, find the value of x square minus y square. दिस इज अगेन वेरी इजी. x का वैल्यू दिया है, y का वैल्यू दिया है, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. सो फर्स्ट वील फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर एंड देन वाई स्क्वायर एंड देन वील सब्ट्रैक्ट देम. सो एक्स स्क्वायर, फर्स्ट लेट अस राइट द वैल्यू ऑफ x. x इज 2 plus root 5 upon 2 minus root 5. So x square is going to be the whole thing का square. That is 2 plus root 5 upon 2 minus root 5 का square. So this is 2 plus root 5 the whole square upon 2 minus root 5 the whole square. So it will be a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square. Let's expand it. So 2 square plus 2 into root 5 plus root 5 square upon over here 2 square minus 2 into root 5 plus root 5 square. So 2 square is 4, 2 2s are 4, root 5 will remain as it is, root 5 square gives 5. यहाँ पे again 4 minus 4 root 5 plus 5. Okay, so this will be 9 plus 4 root 5, 4 plus 5 ऐड हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे भी we'll get 9 minus 4 root 5. So we have got x square, but यहाँ पे denominator में we are having irrational number, root है, so we'll rationalize it. So multiplying by rationalizing factor. So इसका rationalizing factor हो जाएगा 9 minus 4 root 5, sorry 9 plus 4 root 5. Numerator में we get 9 plus 4 root 5 the whole square upon, this will be of the form 9 square minus 4 root 5 square. We'll expand this, it is of the form a plus b the whole square, so it will be 9 square plus 2 into 9 into 4 root 5 plus 4 root 5 square upon 9 square gives 81 minus 4 root 5 square. So 4 का square is 16 and root 5 का square is 5. So x square is going to be 81 plus 2 into 9 into 4. So it is going to be 72 root 5 plus 4 का square is 16 and root 5 square is 5. So 16 into 5 upon 81 minus 80 हो जाएगा. So this is 81 plus 72 root 5 plus 80 upon 1. So it is 161 plus 72 root 5. So this is rationalized. We have got the value of x square. Now let us find the value of y square. So y square is going to be 2 minus root 5 upon 2 plus root 5 the whole square. So 2 minus root 5 square the whole square upon 2 plus root 5 the whole square. So it is going to be 2 square minus 2 into root 5 plus root 5 square upon 2 plus root 5 the whole square. So it is 2 square plus 2 into root 5 plus root 5 square. So न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर का नंबर सेम है, सिर्फ यहाँ पे साइंस डिफरेंट है. So it is going to be 4 minus 4 root 5 plus 5 upon 4 plus 4 root 5 plus 5. So y square is equal to 9 minus 4 root 5 upon 9 plus 4 root 5. यहाँ पे we have irrational number, so we'll rationalize it. So 9 minus 4 root 5 upon 9 plus 4 root 5 into 9 minus 4 root 5 upon 9 minus 4 root 5. So this will give 9 minus 4 root 5 the whole square upon 9 square minus 4 root 5 square. We'll expand this, so we'll get 9 square minus 2 into 9 into 4 root 5 plus 4 root 5 square. So it is equal upon 81 minus 16 into 5. So it is 81 minus, it is going to give 72 over here. 81 minus 72 root 5 plus 16 into 5 हो जाएगा. 81 minus 80. So denominator में 1 हो जाएगा. डिनोमिनेटर 1 मिलेगा. 81 प्लस 80 हो जाएगा. Right? 16 into 5 will give 80. So it is 161 minus 72 root 5. Okay. Upon 1 है, so we have not written 1. Now x square है, y square है, so x square minus y square is going to be 161 plus 72 root 5 minus 161 minus 72 root 5. Put brackets. Now we'll open the brackets. So 161 plus 72 root 5 minus 161 plus 72 root 5. 161 cancel हो जाएगा. 72 root 5 plus 72 root 5 gives 144 root 5. 72 add हो जाएगा and root 5 will remain as it is. So x square minus y square is equal to 144 root 5. Now there is another way of solving this sum. यहाँ पे x square we got 9 plus 4 root 5 upon 9 minus 4 root 5 and y square we got this. Okay, so what we did was we rationalized the denominators. Okay, but instead of rationalizing the denominators individually अलग अलग करने से अच्छा I can directly do it. That is x square minus y square find करना है. So x square minus y square. Okay, on substituting I get 9 plus 4 root 5 upon 9 minus 4 root 5 minus 9 minus 4 root 5 upon 9 plus 4 root 5. So what I'll do over here is these two are rationalizing factors of each other. So I'll cross multiply. So this will be easier method. Okay. So on cross multiplying we get 9 plus 4 root 5 into 9 plus 4 root 5 minus 9 minus 4 root 5 into 9 minus 4 root 5 upon, this will be of the form a minus b, a plus b. Okay, I'll show you. So it will be 9 minus 4 root 5 into 9 plus 4 root 5. So this is 9 plus 4 root 5 into 9 plus 4 root 5. So 9 plus 4 root 5 the whole square minus 9 minus 4 root 5, 9 minus 4 root 5, that is 9 minus 4 root 5 whole square upon, this will be 9 square minus 4 root 5 square. Okay. So x square minus y square will be I'll expand this. So this will be 9 square plus 2 into 9 into 4 root 5 plus 4 root 5 square minus 9. We'll put box bracket over here because minus sign hai. 9 square minus 2 into 9 into 4 root 5 plus 4 root 5 square. The whole thing, this whole thing upon 81 minus 4 square is 16 and root 5 square is 5. So 9 square will give 81 plus this will be 72. 9 2s are 18, 18 4s are 72. Root 5, 4 square will give 16 and root 5 square will give 5. So 16 into 5 gives 80 minus 81 minus 72 root 5 plus 80. This and this brackets are same. The only difference is of minus sign which I've put. Now 81 minus 80 ho jayega, which is 1. So I am not writing the denominator now, it is 1. Now 81 plus 72 root 5 plus 80 minus 81 plus 72 root 5 minus 80. So minus 80 plus 80 gets cancelled, minus 81 plus 81 gets cancelled, and 72 root 5 plus 72 root 5 gives 144 root 5. So this is one more method of solving this sum. You can either follow the first one or the second one.